How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to introduce you to the idea of improvising. So improvising is coming up with music in the moment. So instead of writing out a melody on a piece of staff paper, this involves just putting your hands to the instrument and coming up with melodies in the moment. So to get you started on that, I'll show you a technique and we'll use the G-flat major pentatonic scale to do this. So if you don't know already, the G-flat major pentatonic scale is the following notes: G-flat, A-flat, B-flat, D-flat, E-flat, and back to G-flat. And to make it easy to remember, it's just all of the black notes. If you're playing any of the black notes, you're playing the notes in that scale. So the technique I'd like to show you starts with coming up with a short, catchy melody or a theme. So I'll give you an example. This is a theme that we're going to keep going back to throughout the improvisation. But in between playing this melody, I'm just going to use any other notes in the scale or creating other melodies using the notes in the scale. It could be the same notes or different notes, but a different melody or a different pattern or a different rhythm. And then coming back to the theme. And the music that you're going to play in between coming back to the theme should last for the same amount of time as the theme itself. So if I'm playing the theme for 2 measures, the music in between will also be 2 measures. So I'll give you an example to show you how that works. Back to the theme. So now you got that theme down, why don't you try to put that technique into action by coming up with little improvisations in between the theme, but make sure that they last for the same amount of time as the theme itself. A metronome is helpful in doing this, and I'll put a link to a metronome that you can use for free in the notes. So now that you got some practice under your belt, click the link below to the G-flat play along track, and that will give you even more practice. All right, have fun.